Hello, everyone. Man, I don't get enough vitamin D in the summertime, let alone at this point. So as we keep on going through today, we're not exactly going to see a ton of sunshine. We do have mostly cloudy skies, so hopping on that supplement might be a good idea if you do have a deficiency. Most of us are looking at snow waiting until tomorrow. I think roads are going to be pretty poor, especially Tuesday morning. It's not like crazy amounts of snow, but enough that it's going to be kind of slick on the roads. If there's ice underneath it, you're not going to be able to as easily see it, so make sure you're being extra careful. Most of us haven't seen snow on the roads like this in a little while, at least. School's probably going to get closed or at least delayed for Tuesday morning. Monday might be able to go okay. There might be some early releases there, but Tuesday is when it's looking worse in the morning time. Probably going to have to do some shoveling, not a whole lot, but it's going to build up on sidewalks and driveways a little bit more in some of these last ones. I don't think there's enough wind to really cause supremely low visibility with this system. Like we've been looking at, a lot of the rain right now is concentrated pretty far towards our north, but off to the west, that next system is developing. Most of our winds right this morning are pretty calm, but with Hillsville Hot Springs already a little breezy. We do have some wind alerts advisory on the northern edge and out into Grayson County. Over the next 12 hours, those winds are going to pick up, particularly in the middle point of the day, with gusts up towards 30 miles per hour, a little bit better in the evening. And for perspective, as our snow arrives on Monday and Tuesday, the winds are better. Behind the system, Tuesday does get a little bit breezy, and with the colder temperatures that we have, you might even notice more of the wind chill there than what we do with the higher wind gusts today. We don't have a ton of snowfall building up, but it is going to continue to build in parts of the highlands on those western slopes. Some of it makes it further down towards the southeast, but it's not very impressive. If you need to get out and about, today's a pretty good day to do it, and we stay rather dry through the afternoon. There is some light snowfall early on Monday, enough to probably do some coating of grass, but it really takes until afternoon for that to build up. Once it starts, it moves further towards the northeast. By 8 p.m., most of us are looking at rather consistent snow in both Virginia and into West Virginia. Currently, we have a winter weather advisory in Greenbrier up into Giles, Bland, Wythe, and Grayson County. I would expect a couple extra counties to get added to that, but we are a little bit a ways from that right this minute. Today, a lot of our temperatures do end up in the 30s and 40s, so we're able to gain some heat. Pulaski at 36, Rocky Mount at 47, and Bedford at 45, before falling back down into the 20s for most of our lows. Blacksburg's at 21, Martinsville at 25, and Lexington at 25. So it's going to feel cold to start off tomorrow, and we're not able to do a ton of warming. Most of us have highs stuck in the 30s. We'll be in the 30s again on Tuesday, and even lower into the 30s on Wednesday. That's why Wednesday's still included, because that Tuesday night temperature of 14 means it's going to be particularly cold to start that day. Things are a little bit better on Thursday, but Friday we've got another wintry mix coming, and Saturday is about as cold as Tuesday into Wednesday is. So I wouldn't be entirely surprised if we have more alert days there.